Hey, this is Doc Erik. Welcome back to my YouTube neighborhood. And today I wanted to talk about the philosophy behind using any sort of mobility device, whether that's a foam roller, a lacrosse ball, a stick, any sort of stretching device that you have. A lot of times people, they feel like it doesn't do anything. They feel like they're wasting their time, or they feel like their time might be better spent doing other things. And I agree if you're not doing it with deliberate intention. And that's the real focus of today's message. What we're looking at is whenever we're doing anything, especially when it comes to mobility, you really want to focus on what are you doing? Why are you doing what you're doing? Are you working on the quadricep muscle, which is the thigh muscle in the upper leg? And if you are, where's it the most tender? Did you take your fingers or your thumbs and actually poke around to see where the actual sore spot is? Or did you just take your foam roller, lay down, lay on it, and then you're on your phone checking weather or something like that? You know, are you being deliberate with what you're doing, or are you just going through the motions? A lot of times too, people are pounding down on those painful spots because if it's painful, more must be better in order to reduce the pain. But sometimes the body is actually guarding it for a reason. So you may not want to just work into that area. You may want to search above or below that site of injury. And that kind of goes beyond the scope of this video today, but I just want to impress upon you having deliberate focus whenever you're doing any sort of mobility work. So take that with you the next time you're working on any part of your body, whether it is a shoulder or a lower back or a hip or a knee or even in the glutes or the calves. Just really pay attention to what you're doing and why you're doing it and for how long you're doing it in each particular area. And you're going to notice that it's going to have a tremendous amount of difference, and you're going to feel like you got a better bang for your buck, a better return on your investment. All right, talk to you next time.